this is the best way to celebrate our life. Why we invite here to sit in the grass. And there are lots of the problems like kidney problems, high blood pressure, and many other problems that is coming because they are not connected with the earth element. So we get connected with the earth and grass. That's why we invited you all here. Everyone feel free to dance. Dance like a baby, like how they dance. They don't have hesitation to do anything. Likewise, be free from everything. This 1 hour is complete for celebration. So feel this is my time and celebrate immensely as much as you can.